What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to connect a soundbar to your Skyworth Smart TV using an optical cable. Now in case you do not know, this is basically how an optical cable looks like. You can literally see that it is pointed and shaped like the letter D. Though I'm going to be leaving a link in the description of this video where you can actually get some of the best optical cable to connect your soundbar to your Skyworth TV with. And over here I have the Skyworth Google TV, but this should work for any type of Skyworth TV you have, whether you have the Skyworth Android TV or even the old Skyworth TV. Following similar steps, you should be able to connect any soundbar to your Skyworth TV without any issue. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and connect one end of your optical cable to the optical cable port on your soundbar. Now usually in most soundbar, this particular port is labeled optical out or digital audio out. So just go over to the back of your soundbar and look for the optical out port or digital audio out port and connect one end of your optical cable to that port on your soundbar. And once that is done, you want to go over to the back of your Skyworth TV, then go ahead and connect the other end of your optical cable to the digital audio out port or the optical out port on your Skyworth TV. So just look for that port and then make sure you connect it properly to that port on your TV. And once all of this is done, the next step you want to take is to make sure that both your soundbar and your Skyworth TV are on optical cable mode. Basically, if your soundbar has different modes like HDMI mode, Bluetooth mode, make sure that it is actually set to optical mode or optical cable mode. So I'll just get the remote of my soundbar over here and then change the mode to optical cable mode, which is actually indicated by OPT as it is shown over here on my soundbar. It might be different on your own soundbar, but just make sure that it is actually set to the optical cable mode. And then you also want to make sure that your Skyworth TV is also on optical cable mode. To do this, you want to head over to the settings of your Skyworth TV, whether it's the Skyworth Android or the Skyworth Google TV. Just scroll horizontally until you get to this settings icon over here. Go ahead and click on the settings icon. Now scroll down once again until you get to the display and sound settings over here, and then finally under the audio output you want to make sure that it is set to optical or digital audio out. So make sure that under the digital audio out option you want to make sure that it is either set to optical cable mode or digital audio out mode. If your Skyworth TV does not have that option, just as mine over here, then make sure that it is actually set to auto. Now by auto, what it simply means is that the TV will automatically detect the kind of connection that you have made and select that for itself. So if you make a HDMI connection, the TV will automatically detect that it is a HDMI connection and set itself to HDMI audio output. And if it is actually an optical cable option, just as we have done, by setting it to auto, the TV will automatically select optical cable mode for itself. So you want to make sure it is set to auto, but if you actually have the optical cable out option, then make sure it is set to optical cable out or digital audio out. And once all of this is done, the audio or sound from your Skyworth TV will automatically start coming out from your soundbar over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.